Mastery practice question 3. The diagram shows 3 cylinders such that volume of each cylinder is arranged according to arithmetic progression. The sum of the volume of the first and third cylinder is 24. Okay. So T1 plus T3 is 24. Then they said the volume of the fifth cylinder is 36. So T5 is 36. Right. So from here we need to find the volume of the smallest cylinder. Okay. Oops. Right. First what we can do is, this is an arithmetic progression. So the formula for Tn would be a plus n minus 1 d. So we can use this to form our equations. So T1 is just a. T3 would be a plus 3 minus 1d. So basically a plus 2d. We can simplify this. A plus a is 2a plus 2d is 24. So the whole equation we can divide it by 2. A plus d equals to 12. Equation number 1. Right. Okay. Then we have T5 here. So T5 would be a plus 5 minus 1d. So a plus 4d equals to 36. We can call this equation 2. Done. Now we can solve them simultaneously. Right. Since we have a single a here and a single a here, we can eliminate them. So we can say equation 2 minus equation 1. So this equation minus this. So a minus a cancels off. 4d minus d will be 3d. 36 minus 12 will be 24. Therefore d is 8. Okay. Now that we have d, we can go ahead and find a. So a will just be 12 minus d. Which is 4. This will be the volume of our smallest cylinder. Done. 4 cm cube. Right. Next we need to find the sum of the volume for the first 9 cylinders. So we need to find S9. Okay, let's write our A and our D. Now we can find Sn. So the volume for Sn would be n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So S9 would be 9 over 2, 2a plus 9 minus 1d. Okay. So we have 9 over 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Times 8 plus 8 times 8. We get 324 cm cube. This will be the sum of the first 9 cylinders. Done. That's it.